5 ways to improve your relationship with your spouse. You know, folks, I've spent years in this business, and let me tell you, relationships take work. You can't just coast along and expect things to stay rosy. You got to put in the effort day in and day out. But here's the good news. Even small changes can make a big difference. In this video, we're going to dive deep into 5 powerful ways to strengthen that bond with your spouse. We're talking about real actionable steps you can start taking today to build a more loving, fulfilling, and resilient relationship. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work, buckle up. Let's get started. Communication, folks. It's the bedrock of any successful relationship. It's the glue that holds everything together, the bridge that connects 2 hearts and minds. You can't build a strong, lasting connection without it. It's like trying to build a house without a solid foundation. It just won't stand the test of time. Now, I'm not just talking about talking. It's not just about the words you say, but how you say them and how you listen. I'm talking about truly hearing each other, understanding each other's needs and feelings. Active listening is crucial. It's about being present in the moment and giving your partner your full attention. Put down the phone, turn off the TV, and really focus on what your partner is saying. These distractions can create barriers that prevent genuine connection. Don't interrupt, don't get defensive. It's important to create a safe space where both of you feel heard and respected. Just listen with the intent to understand, not to respond. This means setting aside your own thoughts and judgments for a moment. And when it's your turn to speak, be honest, be open, but be kind. Choose your words carefully. Words have power, and they can either build bridges or create walls. Remember, the goal is to connect, not to criticize or tear each other down. Check for understanding. Make sure you're both on the same page. Don't assume you know what your partner is thinking or feeling. Ask clarifying questions. This shows that you care and are genuinely interested in their perspective. Make time for daily check-ins. How was your day? What's on your mind? These small moments of connection can strengthen your bond. These little conversations can go a long way. They help you stay connected and in tune with each other's lives. And when you need to have those tougher conversations, schedule them. Plan a time when you're both calm and can give the discussion the attention it deserves. Don't just spring them on your partner in the heat of the moment. This can lead to misunderstandings and heightened emotions. Remember, communication is a 2-way street. It requires effort, patience, and understanding from both partners. It takes effort from both partners. When both of you are committed to open and honest communication, your relationship can thrive and grow stronger with each passing day. Look, life gets busy, we all know that. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming. From the moment we wake up, it's a race against time. We rush to get ready, commute to work, tackle endless tasks, and juggle responsibilities. It's easy to get lost in the chaos. We get caught up in work, kids, errands, all of it. The demands never seem to end. There's always something that needs our attention, pulling us in different directions. It's a constant balancing act, and sometimes it feels like there's no room for anything else. But you know what? You got to make time for each other. Amidst all the chaos, it's crucial to carve out moments for the ones we love. It's not just about being physically present, it's about being emotionally available. It's about showing that you care, that you're there for each other. And I'm not talking about just sitting on the couch together while you're both scrolling through your phones. That doesn't count. It's easy to fall into the trap of being together but not really connecting. Technology can be a distraction, pulling us away from meaningful interactions. I'm talking about quality time. Time where you are fully present with each other. Time where you engage, laugh, and share. It's about creating memories and building a stronger bond. It's about making each other a priority. Plan date nights, just the 2 of you. Go out to dinner, catch a movie, try something new together. Rediscover shared hobbies or find new ones. These experiences can reignite the spark and bring you closer. It's about stepping out of the routine and doing something special. What did you used to enjoy doing together? Think back to the early days of your relationship. What activities brought you joy? What made you laugh? Revisit those moments and recreate them. It's a beautiful way to reconnect and remember why you fell in love in the first place. What have you always wanted to try? Get away together, explore new places, embark on adventures, and create new memories. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a day trip, these experiences can strengthen your bond and give you something to look forward to. Even a weekend trip can do wonders for your relationship. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Sometimes a change of scenery is all you need to recharge and reconnect. It's about the quality of time spent together, not the quantity. But it's not just about those big events, it's about the everyday moments too. The little things that often go unnoticed but mean so much. It's about finding joy in the mundane and making the most of the time you have. It's about the little moments too. Have breakfast together in the morning, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Start your day with a conversation, a smile, and a connection. It's a simple gesture that can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Have breakfast together in the morning, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Put your phones away during dinner and actually talk to each other. Share your thoughts, your dreams, and your worries. It's about being present and showing that you care. Put your phones away during dinner and actually talk to each other. Take a walk together after dinner. Hold hands, reconnect. These small, intentional moments of connection can make all the difference. They remind you of the love and bond you share. Take a walk together after dinner, hold hands, reconnect. It's a simple yet powerful way to end the day. Walking side by side, sharing your thoughts, and enjoying each other's company can strengthen your relationship. Hold hands, reconnect. These small, intentional moments of connection can make all the difference. They remind you of the love and bond you share. It's about making an effort, being present, and cherishing the time you have together. These small, intentional moments of connection can make all the difference. They build a foundation of trust, love, and understanding. So prioritize quality time and shared experiences. Your relationship will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Cultivate emotional intimacy and vulnerability. Emotional intimacy, folks, that's the glue that holds a relationship together. It's the foundation upon which trust and love are built. Without it, relationships can feel shallow and unfulfilling. It's about being open, honest, and vulnerable with each other. This means sharing not just the good times, but also the struggles and challenges you face, sharing your fears, your dreams, your insecurities. It's about creating a safe space where both partners feel heard and understood, letting your guard down and letting your partner see the real you. This can be scary, but it's essential for true connection. It's about being there for each other through thick and thin, offering support and understanding without judgment. Start by expressing gratitude. A simple thank you can make your partner feel valued and appreciated. Tell your partner what you appreciate about them, what you admire about them. Practice empathy. Try to understand their feelings and perspectives even when you don't agree. Try to see things from their perspective even when it's difficult. This can help you navigate conflicts and misunderstandings more effectively. Don't be afraid to show your emotions. Vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. It allows your partner to see your true self and fosters deeper connection. Let your partner see your tears, your laughter, your joy. Give compliments freely. Positive affirmations can strengthen your bond and boost your partner's self-esteem. A simple, "You look beautiful today," or "I'm so proud of you," can go a long way. These small gestures show that you notice and appreciate your partner. Check in with each other emotionally. How are you feeling? What's been on your mind lately? These questions can open up meaningful conversations and help you stay connected. What's weighing on your mind? Don't wait for a crisis to talk about your feelings. Regular check-ins can prevent misunderstandings and build trust. And don't underestimate the power of physical touch. Physical affection can communicate love and support in ways words sometimes can't. A hug, a kiss, holding hands. These small gestures can speak volumes. They remind your partner that you're there for them no matter what. So take the time to cultivate emotional intimacy and vulnerability in your relationship. It's an ongoing process, but the rewards are immeasurable. A deeper connection, greater trust, and a more fulfilling relationship await. Chapter 4. Practice forgiveness and conflict resolution. Let's be real, folks. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship. You're two different people with different opinions, different experiences. You're going to disagree sometimes, but it's not about avoiding conflict altogether. It's about how you handle it. Address issues early on. Don't let resentment fester. Talk it out before it blows up into a bigger issue. Take responsibility for your part in the conflict. It takes two to tango. Approach conflict as a team. You're not against each other, you're on the same side. And when it comes to forgiveness, remember it's not about condoning bad behavior. It's about letting go of the anger and resentment that's poisoning you. Try to understand your partner's perspective. Why did they act the way they did? Let go of grudges. Holding on to past hurts will only damage your relationship further. Rebuild trust. It takes time, but it's possible. Remember, forgiveness is a process, not a one-time event. Chapter 5. Support each other's personal growth and independence. Now, being in a relationship doesn't mean you have to lose yourself. In fact, it's important to maintain your own sense of self, your own interests, your own goals. Encourage each other's personal growth. Celebrate each other's achievements, big or small. Respect each other's need for space. It's healthy to have time apart, to pursue your own hobbies and interests. Support each other's career aspirations. Be each other's biggest cheerleader. Set personal goals and pursue them. Don't be afraid to dream big. Respect each other's boundaries. Communicate your needs clearly and listen to your partner's needs. Remember, a healthy relationship is one where both partners feel supported, both individually and as a couple. Outro: building a stronger future together. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful ways to improve your relationship with your spouse. Remember, relationships take work, but the rewards are immeasurable. By focusing on communication, quality time, emotional intimacy, forgiveness, and personal growth, you can build a stronger, more fulfilling, and resilient partnership. Don't wait for things to get bad before you start making changes. Start today, one small step at a time. You won't regret it.